Hi everybody, my name is Daisha and I do makeup, and in today's video you'll notice that it's a little bit different. I'm not in my usual setting. Today I have Caitlin, my best friend, and today I'm going to be doing her makeup instead of me doing my makeups. Are you really experienced in makeup?
No.
Okay, so she doesn't really know a lot about makeup. What kind of makeup look did you have in mind?
Something I guess clean and a bit natural.
And we actually have a reference photo. This is the photo. I'm gonna show it on screen. Okay guys, so why are you laughing? First thing that I'm gonna be using on her face is this e.l.f. Hydrate Primer. You guys may notice it because I use it a lot on my face. And go ahead and use this foundation. Hopefully this is your shade because if it's not, we're gonna have a problem. But I don't know how to do this. This is so weird. Okay. Okay, so now foundation is on, so we're gonna use this. This is the e.l.f. Something. I forgot what it was called, but this is the concealer we're gonna be using. I'm just gonna be using this Lottie London pressed powder, and I have some on my powder puff, and I'm just gonna put it on her face. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna use this Lottie London bronzer, and I think this would be a really good color for her, so let's go ahead and use it. So this is the blush that we're gonna be using. We just found this at CVS, and look at this pretty pink color that it has. Her brows, and I just have this brow gel because I brow my gels oh my god, I gel my brows a lot. Alright guys, I'm gonna start with her brows. It's kind of giving unibrow right now, but we're about to fix it. Okay guys, so now it's time for the lip product. So which of these are you going to be using?
Try to mix these two together, lightly.
Okay, and then we're gonna use this for the lip liner. Alright guys, so here is the finished makeup look. This didn't actually take me that long. But guys, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, me doing other people's makeup. I really did enjoy this. I'll see you guys in the next video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.